fridge. Can I go out and do some shopping? The cupboards are empty. Could be trouble. Well, you're not exactly rich, but okay. Could you get me a cornetto? I love the feel of my tongue. Yeah. Shut your electronic pie hole. I'll get the ice cream. Oh. Of course. Ha! Forgot it's my birthday. Hey! Sorry. What do you want? What usually happens on the 7th of May? Okay? Yeah? Look, he says dead quietly. Why are you narrating yourself? Just listen, will you? I can't. Okay. Anyway, I didn't get you a present this year because nobody forgets my birthday. A little bit itch. Oh, what's this here? Can I have a new fridge?